First students, Thomas HDX. Second first student, Thomas HDX. And I'll let these buses go by, and I'm going to flip a Yui. Bus number 18 from Chapey Joint, and bus number 010 from Lake Elsinore. Didn't quite make it. Love my bus. Love my bus. Looks like I need a lot of buses here today. Oh, I was expecting a bus to go by me. It didn't. I guess the other buses go down the street someplace, turn around. I just pulled a U-turn. That worked for me. Wait, we have a Thomas HDX coming up, I think. Can't tell if it has a sticker or not. Yeah, it has a sticker. Beaumont Unified. There's your fix. Another Thomas HDX. This one 31801. That one there is from Paris School District. Bluebirds are definitely outnumbered by the HDXs today. They're all CNGs. I brought a diesel. Yep. Here comes Paris bus. He's got, looks like automatic chains on the back. And the official name is Paris Union High School District. Operated by Hemet Unified School District.